This is how I made a beat for Ntate Stunna. I started off with this guitar loop that I found from Slooply or slooply.com, and it sounds like this. When listening to this loop, Ghana came into mind, but I was like, Ntate Stunna can also do justice on this loop. So I threw on elements that are more likely to be on Ntate Stunna type of beat. So the next thing I did was I layered this flute from Expand. After that, I layered this piano melody. After the piano, I had to layer this choir as well. Together with the guitar, it sounds like this. Now I'm done with the melody, it's time to go to the drums. So with my drums, the one thing I wanted to do is just keep them simple and create a bounce. So the hi-hat goes like this. After the hi-hat, I just went and did a generic snare. After that, I went with the kick. You know you gotta find yourself a hard-hitting kick. Just the basic kick pattern. So after that, I went and did the 808, which is a basic 808 pattern which follows the root note of the melody and the kick. So after that, I layered 5 open heads to hit with the 808, some to create more bounce. So that's how I made this beat, and if you want to get access to the drum kit, the link is in the description below. Also, remember, always keep it simple. Bye.